Navy blue is one of the colors that I love. It's actually my favorite color. But Nike and not a lot of other sneaker brands use navy blue enough. I think navy blue should be used a lot more because it's a universal color. Welcome back to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts. It's your boy Chuck, and today we back with another sneaker review. In this episode of Penny for Your Thoughts, we're talking about another pair of Air Force Ones. These aren't exclusive or anything like that. This is a regular inline Air Force One, but I haven't seen them in many stores, so I'm not too sure how the people feel about them. So I think I'll bring them to the channel and let you guys see them in hand, on foot, and things of that nature. But before we do that, I'm gonna need you guys to hit that subscribe button. Help us get to 800 subscribers. Right now we at approximately 795. We need about 5 more to get to 800. And once we get to 800, I'm gonna need you guys to help us get to 850. So, you know, help us out with that. Once you guys subscribe, please hit the bell icon so you guys can be notified we drop a new content to the channel. And also be sure to follow us on our social media accounts on Instagram and on Twitter at PENNY_4YT. I know y'all tired of me talking, so let's get to the shoe. Here you guys go, Michigan Air Force Ones with the gum sole. Let's get straight into this shoe. As you guys see, you have the gum sole here. You have a white midsole coming up. You have the navy blue tumble leather. You have a yellow suede swoosh going around the whole shoe to the back panel. On the back panel, you have a yellow background with the Nike Air and navy blue stitched in. Then you come back on this side, you have a yellow swoosh over here on this side. Come over to the tongue, you have a mesh tongue with the Nike Air and navy blue, white, and yellow. Man, I just think this shoe was super clean, so I had to get my hands on it, man. Like I mentioned, it's a gray box Air Force Ones, so, you know, you're not gonna really get too much going on, not too much crazy stuff going on the gray box Air Force Ones. They typically like to say that for black box Air Force Ones, but this navy blue tumble leather with this yellow swoosh right here, man, this is good quality stuff right here. I think Nike did an excellent job with this shoe. Let me know if you disagree, leave in the comments below, but I think Nike did an excellent job with this shoe, and the overall look of this shoe is crazy. And not to mention, if you've been watching this channel for a long time and you watch a lot of reviews I've done on this channel, navy blue is one of the colors that I love. It's actually my favorite color. But Nike and not a lot of other sneaker brands use navy blue enough. I think navy blue should be used a lot more because it's a universal color. You can do a lot of different stuff with navy blue. But it's definitely a clean shoe. They did an excellent job with this right here, and they made it a gray box Air Force One. They could have just added another shoestring to this and made this a black box Air Force One and sold these for $135. But, you know, they sold these for regular Air Force One price, which is $90. And, you know, no tax on that. If you're from New York, you know, it's no tax on $90. So, you know, you pretty much get a good, clean shoe. And I just figured I'd bring it to the channel and let you guys get a look at it, and you guys can leave your opinion, you know, in the comments. And, you know, maybe you guys can get a pair of these if you like them. If not, you know, because you could kill these with a Michigan jersey, a throwback Jalen Rose, Chris Webber, you know, things of that nature. You get you some Michigan shorts for the summertime. Summertime's about to come right back around. So, you know, just giving a couple of ideas. We could do these with some jeans. So, you know, just giving you guys a couple of ideas you can wear with this shoe. But let me know what you guys think about this shoe. If you think this shoe is not it, leave it in the comments below. But y'all know what time it is. Time for me to rate this shoe. And out of 5 pennies, man, I'm gonna keep it all the way tall, man. I'm gonna have to give these 4 out of 5 pennies, man, for the overall clean look. The overall clean look. You got the yellow sole, it's suede, the tumble leather, and you got the gum sole right here. So you know, the overall look of the shoe is clean. It's clean and straight to the point, man. 4 out of 5 pennies is a good rating. If you disagree, leave it in the comments below, man. And with that being said, we keeping it 100 and not a penny less. Peace.